Let's read with Little Learning Loop. What is in my lunchbox? Let's go. My lunch box. My lunch box. It's your turn to read now. I take my lunch box to school. I take my lunch box to school. Let's see if you can read. Mom puts food in it. Mom puts food in it. It's your turn now. I also get fruits. I also get fruits. Let's see if you can read. Healthy food is yummy. Healthy food is yummy. It's your turn now. I eat lunch in the break. I eat lunch in the break. It's your turn to read now. Food gives me energy. Food gives me energy. It's your turn now. My friends eat with me. My friends eat with me. It's your turn to read. We eat quietly. We eat quietly. Let's see if you can read. My lunch box is nice. My lunch box is nice. It's your turn now. My food stays fresh in it. My food stays fresh in it. Let's see if you can read. I love my lunch box. I love my lunch box. It's your turn now. Good job, kids! Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Little Learning Loop to continue with more such reading sessions. Thank you for watching.